Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing a eyeliner tutorial. This is called Wanna Get Lucky. This is by Ardell. Okay, I found this sucker at Sally's Beauty Supply store. It is just a few dollars. This is a eyeliner gel. Okay, but it comes in the form of a stick here. And I do love the fact that it is a retractable eyeliner. This is a very, very vibrant, deep blue, or not vibrant, I guess a deep blue. And oh, that's lovely. It comes on the other side. It comes with a sharpener on top. So let's go ahead and put this on the eye, and I will check in later and tell you guys whether this lasts all night long or not. So I'm gonna go ahead and just zoom you into my eye. You guys gotta excuse all that mess in the background. So this is a blue. I hope it really looks good on the eye and it doesn't mess up my eye look today. Okay, so I do like the fact that it's a very, very finely sharpened pencil. And let's go ahead. Oh my goodness. So I look, barely any pressure onto my waterline, and that sucker just went down really, really lovely. Actually feels like it adhered to my waterline very, very well. Most liners just kind of slide off and on, and when this one, check it out. So when I ran on it, look, it almost like it comes off in a chunk. You pick it up a little bit more, and it went into my eyeball. So it's like it comes off in chunks. Look at that, which is telling me that it's drying and adhering to my waterline, which is great. Let me go ahead and just kind of fill in that gap. So my suggestion is get it on all really quickly, get that waterline completely covered, and don't go back in a second time, because once it's covered, it dries down almost immediately. I'm gonna go ahead and go under the eye a little bit with this eyeliner. This is extremely fast drying. When I tell you extremely, like put it on the bottom line right here in the center, and then when I started smudging it out, it already started drying, and then I had to go back and reapply. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my eyes. I will be right back. Okay guys, so I've pretty much finished up my makeup. I'm gonna check in later and tell you guys whether this actually broke up off my waterline or not. 90% of eyeliners will actually run on my waterline, and then you'll have it below the eye, further below than the eyeliner on the bottom below the lashes. So I'm gonna check in later on tonight. We are celebrating my birthday. We're going dancing, clubbing, drinking. And so I'm gonna really put this to the test and see whether it falls off, if it breaks off in little chunks like it did into my eye, or is this a freaking fantastic eyeliner. It is 100% a gel. I will tell you that. The formula is no joke, like those pods that you get. And that is the most beautiful navy blue. That's a true navy blue color. So if you actually have, you want to like, you have colored eyes, or you just want to bring out your eye color a little bit more, then you might want to actually try this if it's good, if it lasts all night long. I don't know. I will check in with you guys in a little bit. And before we get to those check-ins, please push that thumbs up button, little subscribe button, and tiny little bell next to it. Let's go ahead and get to those check-ins. Okay guys, so I'm here with Perla. I'm gonna ask Perla the question. How does my eyeliner?
You know what? In all honesty, on your waterline, it looks like it's broken in some places.
Like there's gaps?
Gaps, yeah.
Yeah, you see that, Karen? I don't know if you guys can see that. As she's trying to zoom in. But I'll tell you, it's kind of painful. Honestly, it feels like the chunks break up and maybe get in your eye, because my eyes are very irritated for some reason.
Yeah, they look a little red.
Yeah. So I'm gonna have to give this product a thumbs down. I mean, unless you don't put it in the waterline, what I did. But if I'm gonna buy a colored eyeliner, I want it in my waterline. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm Christina Marie. This is Perla. We're out.
Happy
Bye.
birthday.
So I just got back from the club, and check this out. I know you guys can see that. You see how it broke off? Like some stayed on, but the majority of it broke off. Look how red my eyes are. It was like irritating that when it would fall off, some of it would go in your eye. I would just say not to get it. But if you guys enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the little subscribe button. I'm Christina Marie. Well, bye.